Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating multiplying 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. So in my example for today, I have 233 times 3. Now with this, I typically see a lot of my students prefer to take this number and add 3 times. Since we're multiplying by 3, you can add this 3 times. This method is fine to use if you're being asked to do so, but the most important part I want to cover today is understanding how to multiply by each individual number. So what we're going to do is take 3 and we're going to multiply it by each individual number up here. So first we're going to multiply 3 times 3, which is 9. And next we're going to multiply 3 times 3 again, our middle 3, and we get 9 again. And finally we're going to multiply 3 times 2, and we will get 6. So our final answer is 699. And again, you can take this large number 233 and add it 3 times, which is a quick method for doing this, but I only recommend doing that if you are asked to do repeated addition. And if you guys would like to see more videos on multiplication, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss anything.